Weezy out of here.
The dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be experimenting with some faux freckles on my face. I've literally always wanted freckles for forever, and I think freckles are the most beautiful thing. And a while back on my Instagram, I tried out freckles. I'm going to insert the photo here. And I honestly don't know how I got them, but I basically have a whole bunch of things here. Let me show you. I have all different types of things. I have palettes, I have little eyeliner pencils, I have little brushes and things. So we are gonna experiment today, and we are gonna get some faux freckles. So if you want to see how I go from this to this, then just keep on watching. Also, if you guys want me to do more makeup related videos or anything like that, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. Also, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and you guys can follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see more photos or behind the scenes or anything like that. But yeah, let's just get started. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. That's better. I'm looking at a photo for reference because I want them to kind of be more natural looking. Well, I have two different photos. So I have this photo, which I like because they look kind of wild and real, but I also don't know if I'm gonna do them on my face like that. And then I have this photo, which is kind of more what I'm gonna go for. So I think I'm gonna start with bigger ones, and then I'm gonna go in with smaller ones to create kind of dimension, because I feel the thing with making freckles look good is not making them look too perfect, not all the same size, the same shape, everything like that, because I feel if you really have freckles, they're very random. So I was testing on my arm all different things, and I think what I'm gonna use first are some eyeliner or lip liner pencils. I never know how to do these where you can see me well, because I need to put my mirror somewhere. I'm nervous, but we're just gonna jump into it. I think I'm gonna use the pencil at first, and I'm gonna try to put it in different places. Oh wait, that didn't do anything. Let me see. I really don't think it's working, so I'm gonna try this one instead. Good because I can mold it into a shape. So I'm using my finger right now to make it more pointy, if you can see. Right now I just look like I have chicken pox. Okay, I think I'm gonna use some eyeshadow. So I'm taking this palette. It was a cheap palette. And I'm gonna use this dark brown shade up here with a tiny brush. I have a little tiny eyeliner brush. Maybe I should wet this. Okay, so I just wet it so the bristles could be a little more together. These are a lot lighter and smaller, but I think I like it. Okay, so this is what the freckles look like right now. And what I'm gonna do now is actually apply some powder on top of them, because I think it'll set it and also make some of them not look so dark and brown dots on my face, and it'll make it look a little more natural. So I'm just taking this Sigma tapered highlighter F35 brush, and I'm just taking some loose powder. This is by Maybelline. This is the one I always use. I'm getting a little nervous. And I'm just gonna dab it on top. I don't know if it's doing anything to me. Okay, yeah. So this is what I'm working with. I hope it's like coming up. Like I hope you guys can see it, because I definitely can see it a lot in person. And my makeup's basically done, but I think I'm gonna add a lip color. I think I'm actually gonna take that same Kiss lip liner. This is in the shade Roasted Coffee. Oh, I actually have some new lip products. Hold on, I'm gonna go grab them and show you. I actually have this set. Don't mind my fingerprints all over them. This is from Bad Habit. I did a giveaway a while back from some eyeshadows, and this is actually some of their lip products. So I think I'm going to use one of these. I think these are liquid lips. Yeah, I think I'm going to use this shade. This is in, this is a liquefied matte lipstick. I believe this is in the shade Broken Heart. Just looks like this. So I'm going to put the brown Kiss lip liner on in Roasted Coffee. And then I'm going to put this in the center just to finish off the look. This applied really nice, and I also really like the formula and the smell of it. It feels really, really good. This is the final look. Can you guys see? I hope you guys can see the freckles. I feel like they're there. I don't know if they look fake or they look real. How they turned out, because I feel like they're not too much. You know what I mean? Like they're dark. I feel like I could have did a lot smaller ones here, but yeah, guys, I was just playing around with some faux freckles, and I thought I'd put the camera on and press record and take you guys with me. So let me know if this was helpful, or if you like this look on me, or if you guys have any suggestions in the future. I kind of just went with what I have and like used what I have and made it work. But yeah, I think that using a really tiny like eyeliner or lip liner brush with eyeshadow actually works the best. I actually wish I did that first instead of going in with the big ones, but I do think it adds like a lot of dimension, like the different like sizes and things, and I definitely think you can get way more dramatic than this or do a little bit less. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know again if you guys want to see more makeup related videos or things like this, and if you enjoy me doing videos like this on my channel. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.